with his spirit and his memory. So this song was really important and pivotal.
Are you floating in the cosmos, finally free from time while I'm down here on the highway, looking for signs till I finally find me a place to draw a line between the whole damn rest of it and my own little mind? Or am I down in a garden bed waiting for the sun, bobbing arms out, eyes closed, waiting for the one I've been holding on to holograms, fistfuls of golden sand, chasing floaters on the surface of my eye. And I emptied your house like a slowly exploding star. I scattered you down, and now you're all spread out. Should I be looking for your message in cloud-shaped snowflake ties to the sky with some almond golden light to warm your empty chair? A song for the heavier coincidence, significance to plead who you're there. Is it you? Is it me? Injecting you with meaning? Does it matter? The matter that we're made is the same. I'll just wait. I'm just space with a few shadow cells that take shape of a person without their person in this. I'm place. Empty out your house like a slowly exploding star. Scattered you down, and now you're all spread out. Could you see me from there with this roof over my head? Would you have a better view if I was out there instead? Should I move to the desert, find your love among the stars? Or are you also in the constellations made from little particles of dust that burst and spin in golden air when I take out, shake out your sweater wearing tight arms that held me when I cried? Are you woven in the fabric of my life? Are you woven in the fabric of my everyday living? My everyday I emptied out your house, and now you're all spread out. And now you're all spread out. You're all spread out.